This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the graph editor and selecting the animated property you must fix. Set clean keyframes if they are messy. Make sure you're viewing value versus speed intentionally. Once done, zoom to 1 and enable Bezier handles so you can see control points. You'll need to use Alt or Option to reveal extra handles. This gives precise influence control. From here, you're ready to shape motion curves deliberately rather than guessing at timing or easing. Now refine the curves. Drag Bezier handles to adjust acceleration and deceleration. Hold Shift to constrain angles for predictable tangents. Use Easy Ease to create smooth transitions, or convert keys to hold when you want instant changes. This fixes pop or drift. Make micro adjustments to handle length for natural motion, and enable snapping to align peaks with frame boundaries or neighboring keyframes. Once you've tuned timing and flow, finish by previewing with RAM and clearing the cache so changes render correctly. Playback confirms the fix. If you still see jitter or overshoot, inspect interpolation types. Switch suspected keys between linear and Bezier, and delete redundant keys that cause micro fluctuations. Make sure motion paths aren't constrained by expressions. Temporarily disable them to test. Lastly, always duplicate the layer or save a backup comp before destructive edits, so you can revert quickly if a fix introduces new issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.